So at the hardware show, and I wanted to show you this. This is the Rapid storage booth here. The guys are up there, they're doing their thing. But I wanted to show it because this is actually something that we kind of got to play with a little bit, and I've actually picked up some of these because they will be able to allow you to have cords and different things, and I'm going to come back here and show you that. They've got a variety of different sizes, and they can handle cords, and then what's cool about it is that they wrap around. They're strong enough to be able to hold the weight. So you're seeing air hoses there, you're seeing extension cords and different things, and they can handle a lot of weight. And they have a variety of different sizes. So if you are wanting to manage your cords and you want to keep things clean, the Rapid system here is definitely something you want to check out. And they have a variety of different, I'm just going to kind of pan down here as we're going. We've got a variety of different application applicable pieces here. Some for the kitchen, some for the the shop. A multi-pack there, a 6-pack. And then of course they've got some different colored marking tapes here. Storage straps that would help mark things as you go. So just a lot of really kind of cool things here from the guys here at Rapid Storage. We'll put a link in the description below so you guys can go check out the different ones, but I'm a big fan of these guys right here. These are the ones that I have holding some of my 100-foot XLR microphone cables, for those of you who know what those are. We're at the National Hardware Show.